Here we go.
Here, mute it.
So, where to get some real choppers to chew on? Well, we can always go get a pig head. We can, take the job from the pig and now.